Apple cider vinegar, a natural elixir for health and DIY wellness. In the realm of natural health remedies, few substances have gained as much acclaim as apple cider vinegar, ACV. Originating from the fermentation of apple juice, this tangy elixir has secured its place as a versatile staple in traditional medicine and home remedies. From digestive aids to skin tonics, ACV's medicinal properties have been praised for centuries, making it a go-to ingredient for those seeking a holistic approach to wellness. Medicinal marvels of apple cider vinegar. The magic of ACV lies in its rich composition of acetic acid, probiotics, enzymes, and trace minerals. These elements contribute to a myriad of health benefits, making ACV a multifaceted elixir with applications for internal and external well-being. Digestive dynamo. ACV's acetic acid content plays a pivotal role in digestive health. When consumed before meals, it can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and nutrient absorption. Additionally, its alkalizing effect may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion and acid reflux. Blood sugar stabilizer. Several studies suggest that ACV may contribute to better blood sugar control. The acetic acid in ACV is believed to improve insulin sensitivity, assisting in the regulation of blood sugar levels. Incorporating ACV into meals or diluting it in water before consumption may offer potential benefits for individuals managing diabetes or seeking to stabilize blood sugar levels. Weight management ally. For those on a weight management journey, ACV might be a valuable companion. Some studies propose that ACV could help increase feelings of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Its impact on metabolism and fat storage is an area of ongoing research. Immune booster. Probiotics, naturally occurring in fermented foods like ACV, contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. A robust gut microbiome is linked to a strengthened immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of ACV may play a role in supporting overall immune health. ACV and herbal infusions, a synergistic blend. The marriage of ACV with herbal infusions creates a harmonious synergy that enhances the extraction of medicinal compounds from herbs. The acetic acid in ACV acts as a solvent, aiding in the breakdown of plant cell walls and facilitating the release of therapeutic constituents into the liquid medium. When crafting herbal infusions or tinctures, adding a splash of ACV can impart a tangy flavor while maximizing the extraction of bioactive compounds. This makes ACV not only a functional addition, but also a palatable one, transforming the preparation of herbal remedies into a sensory experience. How to make your own apple cider vinegar. Creating your own ACV at home is a rewarding and surprisingly simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Ingredients: 1 apples, organic if possible. 2 sugar, white or brown. 3 water. Equipment: 1 a large glass jar. 2 cheesecloth or a coffee filter. 3 a rubber band. 4 a dark, warm place for fermentation. Wash and chop apples into small pieces, including peels and cores. Place the apple pieces in a clean glass jar, leaving some space at the top. Dissolve sugar in water and pour the solution into the jar until the apples are fully submerged. Cover the jar with cheesecloth or a coffee filter, securing it with a rubber band. Place the jar in a dark, warm place for about 3 to 4 weeks, stirring daily. After the fermentation period, strain out the apple solids and return the liquid to the jar. Cover the jar again and let it sit for an additional 3 to 4 weeks for the vinegar to fully develop. Once ready, store the homemade ACV in a clean, airtight container. Embracing the holistic magic of ACV, as we explore the realms of holistic health and DIY wellness, apple cider vinegar emerges as a shining star, offering a plethora of benefits for both internal vitality and external radiance. Whether sipped in a morning tonic, used in culinary creations, or integrated into herbal infusions, ACV stands as a testament to the remarkable healing potential found in nature's pantry. Let the creation of your own ACV become not just a DIY project, but a celebration of the ancient wisdom that intertwines with modern wellness. As you embark on this journey, savor the tang of ACV and embrace the magic of a natural elixir that has stood the test of time